Take the second left at the roundabout, please. So what do we need to always know first? How close are people behind? Who's directly behind us? No one. So you can please yourself with what you're doing here. Alright? Second junction, when are we going to signal? Not now.
No.
Braking's important and the looking at the roundabout's important. Braking, listen. Budge, good, well done. Now can you see through the lorries in the middle of them? What gear then? And just hold back. We're not going with the lorry there. Stop. Good. Put it in first. Now have a little look. What do you reckon? And we go?
Yeah.
Good. Off we go. Keep to the left hand side.
Was he?
That's okay.
He was.
Quick next gear.
Let's have a quick rewind to before the junction and see what happens again. Who was it that was being impatient?
Budge, good, well done. Now can you see through the lorries in the middle of them? What gear then? And just hold back. We're not going with the lorry there. Stop. Good. Put it in first. Now have a little look. What do you reckon? And we go?
Yeah.
Good. Off we go. Keep to the left hand side.
Was he?
That's okay.
He was.
Quick next gear. I think it was that G4S car behind. Keep this side a little bit. That, you dealt with that really, really well. I'll listen to that
I don't
as
think
well.
it was a major mistake normally.
Alright, okay, you dealt with it really well. What we're actually going to do, we're going to get past where this fella is with the box button in his car. I think we'll go a little bit further up, keep going for a bit, but we are going to park in. We're just going to park in just past all these. So, have a little look around us. Is there a space that you can get in now?
No.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yeah, after the green one, we'll go get braking. Get braking more, get braking more. Good. Really slow, and then roll in. And then get straight. Keep rolling until you're straight. If you need to put it in first and move us back forward a bit, you can. But I think you're pretty good. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Well done, good. Secure your car. Hold on. Turn the car off for a little second. Now, people do beep unnecessarily, and that person who beeped was, honestly...
If I couldn't see through that wagon, how was I meant to go?
You're right, but that wasn't actually why I told you to stop, was it? Why did I say wait? Why did I say don't go? Because we could have maybe, when the lorry goes...
Went with him.
Went with him. But why couldn't we in that situation?
I couldn't see.
But if the lorry goes and blocks the roundabout, if you
blocks my view.
It blocks your view, but is anyone coming when you do that with a lorry? So say the lorry moves off from the side of you.
Yeah.
Is anyone coming from the right?
No.
So could you actually go with him as long as you're near the front of his cab? You possibly could. However, why couldn't we in that situation? Any idea?
The car was coming from... No?
It's nothing to do with that. It was the space on the roundabout. What space was there on the roundabout when the lorry turned? Did he seem to be quite close to you, to your right hand side?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Do you fancy being next to a lorry when he's got turning to do? Do you think that lorry's potentially going to be using more than his whole lane on the roundabout?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, there are certain situations where you may be able to go if the lorry moves, as long as you move with the cab of the lorry.
Yeah.
And you might be able to get going and put your foot down and stay in front of him after.
Yeah.
But there, knowing the world, we could have done it because the lorry was cutting into our space we were needing to use as well. Alright, so that makes that beep even more of an embarrassment for the person who did it. Do you understand? And that's just the impatience that people get with learning drivers. Alright? And I think it was that fella in the car behind us, because as I had a little look across as we were leaving the roundabout, he was glaring at us.
The one who went that way?
The one who went that way. Down Maiden Lane. Alright? But he did a good job.
Did I forget to signal?
When
You're not meant to signal
when we're coming off that roundabout, do you think that the left signal, once you
Would we?
pass that road, would be of any help going into the one that we came in?
You're already in it, down.
You're already in it.
Yeah.
All right. Most of the time, you do need to
Yeah.
signal to leave roundabouts. However, that one, it's not really going to be of any benefit. You're already in the road.